the manufacturing process begins with the strong foundation of Toyota Coaster, its chassis. Heavy-duty steel components are precisely assembled to create a rigid and durable structure.
After assembly, the primer and paint are applied onto the chassis.
The engine is brought into position using specialized lifting equipment. Technicians carefully secure it into the engine mounts and connect the necessary mechanical, electrical, and fluid connections. Body frame assembly.
A 1500-ton press shaped the coaster's body.
Next, the upper body frame is assembled. Structural panels are carefully positioned and joined with precision, creating the strong framework that will eventually become the passenger's cabin. Primer and painting. The body now enters the paint process. After surface preparation and primer, automatic paint system apply an even coating across the entire body. The painted body then passes through a controlled curing process to create a durable and smooth finish. After leaving the paint shop, the freshly painted coaster undergoes a detailed quality inspection. The completed body is now carefully aligned with the chassis. Using specialized factory equipment, the two sections are securely joined together. The vehicle moves to the cockpit assembly station. Technicians position the dashboard correctly inside the cabin, tighten its mounting bolts, and connect the electrical wiring. Next, the driver doors, front passenger's door, and the main passenger entry door are installed. Technicians carefully align the hinges, mounting points, and door mechanisms to ensure smooth operation.
A powerful industrial vacuum lifting system carefully lifts the large front windshield. The remaining passenger side windows and the large rear glass are now installed. The coaster now receives its four wheels. Specialized lifting equipment positions each chair onto the wheel hub. The interior seating system is installed next. The driver's seat and the front passenger seats are securely mounted, followed by the rows of passenger seats through the cabin. Technicians now install the interior ceiling panel. With the engine running, the inspector checks the air conditioning system and automatic passenger door. The finished coaster moves to an outdoor proving ground. It is driven across a specially designed rough road track with bumps and uneven surfaces to test suspension and performance. It drives through deep standing water at a controlled speed to verify vehicle's performance and water resistance. Finally, the fully tested Toyota coaster leaves the factory. It is carefully loaded onto a large multi-level vehicle transport. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.